Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download app from GitHub. So for example, you want to install an app on GitHub. All you need to do is search for the app, and once you are on the website inside GitHub, then you have to scroll down, right? Scroll down, and at this side you're going to see where it says release. You have to click on latest, right? Click on it and you wait for it to load up. So once it's loaded, you have to scroll down again and you're going to see assets. You can see assets right here. Click on the first link, right? And once you click on it, it's going to get downloaded. You can choose any of this because all of them, but I prefer you choose the latest one, right? The first one you're going to see, and you're going to see it is going to be downloaded into your file, right? So this is literally how to just download app from GitHub. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.